Sorkar jela kala Sdang ya projek Pynthymmai ya Tyllong Jong Umïew bat Ganol kanang ban pinduna ya jingkerdu hasilong bat hatura. Haba pentip ya kani Menteri Katanat PHE Marcus Marak ulaong bakidon ki benta baper Jong kani projek bat kitanat pentrai kam kidang thau ya jing pensong thu kabadon kam hakishnong ki badon saudong Jong kini ki artli ki Tyllong ya kani projek la pentrai haka jinglut kabapalat laispa keluar tingka.
This KFW actually is to rejuvenate the sources of Umïew River and also Ganol River. Umïew River supplies water to the Shillong city, and then Ganol River supplies drinking water to entire Tura town. So therefore the government has taken up this project of rejuvenation of all the sources in the upstream of Ganol River and Umïew River. So the project has already started. The project is being implemented by MBMA. I did a review meeting very recently with them. I found it's a very good thing. There are many components of the work. They have started second components, which is sensitization programs in the villages.